Hello everyone, my name is Miss Madgerua, but you can call me Maddie. Welcome to True Corset's Corset School, where we teach you all the basics and not so basics of corset wear and care. Today, I'm going to teach you how to lace yourself into a corset. This can sound pretty intimidating at first, but I promise, it's not as difficult as it seems. Now personally, my usual method is exactly just as you expect, just tightening it by hand.
Start with your laces loosened and fasten your corset around yourself at the front. Make sure it's sitting right on your waist. I like to give the laces a preliminary tug, just to make sure it's secure on my body. And then I tuck the laces between my legs. Starting at the top and working your way down, locate the top string and then work on tightening the laces, X by X, all the way down, just like tightening a shoelace. Be careful to hold tight to your laces so you don't lose any progress. Then, I pull on the center loops to get rid of that extra slack. I like to loop the laces around my hands to make sure I have an extra good grip on them. Once you've done the top, move your way to the bottom. Again, locate the bottom string and work your way up X by X. Once it feels nice and tight, again grab your loops and pull on the slack. Then, holding your loops firmly, cross them and give them one final tug. Then tie them in a bow. Be careful not to tie your corset laces in a knot, or it will be very difficult to untie them once you're ready to take off your corset. And there you have it.
Once you get the hang of it, tying yourself into a corset can be a piece of cake. It takes a little practice to get exactly right, but it's super convenient if you don't have anyone there to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified of all our new uploads. I hope to see you next time on True Corset's Corset School. Bye!